Look, we got spoiled Africa tonight. Kita nyo ang food ko today. Ayan, dinner. Dinner in bed. Kami, ayan oh, may table pa ako oh. Yeah, my daughter spoiled me tonight. My dinner in bed. At yeah, lucky you nasama ka ha.
I'm lucky that your daughter spoils you.
Ayan din siya oh. So we are...
She also spoils me.
Ayan, we get spoiled by my daughter. So look what we have. I will show you what we have. Yummy, yummy food. This is a Greek ball. That's what she called. Hindi ngayon poke ball. It's a Greek ball food. And it is really so healthy. Po, yan. Ayan, i-check natin what is in the Greek bowl. So, this one is the chicken breast, of course. No red meat for me. Ayan, and the cucumber. Ayan, the salad, carrots, tomato, and only little bit of white rice because I forget to bring my red rice. Kaya little bit lang daw. So, and the sauce, yogurt sauce, o diba?
Tzatziki.
Super, what is that sauce?
Tzatziki.
The chicken sauce. Wow, so we really have a Greek bowl today. So thank you, baby Rika. We love you. Yummy. Kain tayo.